Now, that's, here again, we've looked at this slide. Collect pictures that might work, depends on your industry. Sometimes you don't need a picture of the thing, you just need a picture, and cloud pictures always work. Have a library of them. You just have to wait a couple of days. You know, the clouds are always there. Point your camera at the sky. I have taken all of the background images on these slides, which you may not have paid attention to, but a lot of times we've got images. Food Lion parking lot, that's our property rights slide. When we talked about social media policy, it was an umbrella to protect you. Any slide that has money attached has this gold background. I took a piece of real gold jewelry, put it out in the sun, took a picture, blew it up. What do I have? This diamond thing is on risk. The risk slides, and that is a very large crystal paperweight. That's how I got a big picture of a diamond. My camera could not, my diamonds are not so big I could get a picture of them. Let's put it that way. I tried a couple of times and it didn't work, so I had to go with the paperweight. And then any guesses about what this, what the kind of gray thing is on the second row?
Looks like a link chain to me. But
okay, I can see that. Anything else?
It kind of looks like the end of a water bottle.
Yep, it's the bottom of a Coca-Cola bottle. Yeah, or a Sprite, something that was clean. I just got up close and let it be blurry, and it's. I can't think of where I've used it, but it was just an interesting shape. There's tons of stuff out there if you just start looking.